This is Nigel's attempt of giving a bird a bath. Aww. She's not trying to kill you or bite you. Wow. How do we feel, Einstein? You must have been pretty dirty because look at you. It's not supposed to stick. It's supposed to roll off if you're clean. Nigel said, will you shut up now? Is that what you were begging for this whole time, was a bath? She seems content and happy.
Fine. Shit.
Now she's gonna feel so much better. Not so dusty and itchy. Now she's just gonna dry off.
Cold water, then mix it.
What was warm and cold?
Warm time. Then she just
Relaxed afterwards when it got warm. And she didn't look like she liked it at first. Say we like lukewarm temperature. Say not scalding hot, not freezing, just right. Right, Pipa? Furry girl went and got a bath before she went and laid eggs. And she knew it was time to take a bath. Hi, princess. Sweetheart, you're so pretty. I love my babies. You guys are so cute. Look at you guys eating together. Look what daddy's got you. Oh, yummy. Oh, she might not eat that because it's lemon rice. It's like, you put lemon on it, you messed it up. Are you drying off? She still wants more. She's like, it's raining. She could be drying, but she looks like she's attempting the cute little positions like she's bathing still.